starter was having a problem. That's why we had to change another external pneumatic starter, and we did the normal start. So there's nothing wrong with the airplane except that the external equipment starter unit, there was something wrong with it. So now that's why we got another one, and then we had another one here now, and everything is normal. So I would like to assure passengers that there's nothing wrong with the airplane, although we're delayed, but there's nothing wrong with the airplane. Now, if you want to deplane, well, that's your call. But I hope you do understand that, like I said, we won't fly the airplane if it's not safe, if something wrong with the airplane. Thank you.
Grabe naman ito kasi. Better late than night. Buka natin. I just want to know what time we're taking off. Tsaga-tsaga lang.